Hi lads, so I'm just going to show you a quick video on how to clean up your social media feed, and I strongly recommend that you do clean up your social media feed because I don't know about you, but all this doom and gloom is starting to get to me, honestly. So I'm going to start here with Tanya's page. Um, I'm not really serious with Tanya. I'm just using this as an example. In fact, I would suggest you follow Tanya's page because it's full of nice things like this. So you get your three dots up here, you give them a click, and here are your options. So you probably know this already, but just in case you don't, of course, another option for that's a business page. Another option for a person page is to just block the person or mute them from your feed. Let's see if I can get an example of this. Here's someone else that I don't want to mute, but I could if I wanted to. So here we go. These are the options here. So that's a personal page, not a business page. Okay. So now we have Twitter. Twitter had, or rather Facebook had a thing where you could block words, keywords, but that was a trial and it didn't work out, but it has worked on Twitter. So on Twitter, what we do is we go to notifications and we go into settings and muted words. I don't have any yet, but I'm just about to. So let's say I want to stop hearing or reading tweets about COVID. I enter that and save it. So now I'm not going to see tweets in my timeline that have COVID-19 in them or hashtag COVID-19. So that's one thing that you can do. Another thing that you can do is, let's say you just want to stop following someone. So this is their account. So we have these options here. Mute them just for a little while, or we can unfollow them. Mute is just a good way to take a rest, and you can choose how long you mute them for. So they're the two. Oh, you can't. That's only for the words. Right. Just learned something. Okay, so there are your options with Twitter. While we're on Twitter, may I recommend that you only follow the HSC and WHO, World Health Organization, if you actually want information. And you actively then would choose. I will have to actively choose this because I have just blocked tweets with hashtag COVID. So there you go, that's for that. Now, on the World Health Organization, they've done this cool thing where they've launched a WhatsApp service where you can get all the information, again, reliable, evidence-based information. And you could let that be your only source of information. And in fact, I think that's a great idea. So I might do that instead. So there you go. There's some ways to clean up your timeline and try keeping your wits about you. Stay well. Bye.